Our goal is to rewrite the sine of 4 theta times cosine of 2 theta as either a sum or difference that's only going to contain sine or cosine, but no products. So as we get going on this, we notice we do start with a product, right? These are being multiplied together, and we want to go to a sum. So I've gone ahead and pulled up the formula for product to sum. And as we get going on this, I'm going to first identify that we have sine times cosine. So we're using this formula. I'm going to use alpha to be 4 theta, and beta is going to be 2 theta. So in filling into this formula, our original is going to equal 1/2 multiplied by a big set of brackets, sine of alpha, which we said was 4 theta, plus beta, which is 2 theta, plus the sine of alpha, 4 theta, minus beta this time, which was 2 theta. All right, now that everything's filled in, let's work on reducing this down. There won't be a bunch of reducing down, but we can definitely combine together. If we have 4 theta plus 2 thetas, we can say that's 6 thetas. And as I do this, I'm also going to go ahead and do a second thing along the way. I'm going to distribute this 1/2 that's on the outside of this big set of brackets. So as I distribute, one copy is going to be multiplied by this sign, and it's also going to get distributed and multiplied by this sign here. So 1/2 multiplied by sine 4 thetas plus 2 more thetas makes 6 thetas, plus that 1/2 gets distributed, multiplied by sine of 4 thetas minus 2 thetas is 2 thetas. And that's as reduced down as this is going to get. We've rewritten our product as a sum. All right, hope this helps out. Good luck as you're working through these.